guys. I'm with my two. This is my cousin. This is my sister.
Hello.
And I'm Ruby. Oh no. Welcome to the channel.
If you're new.
I'm going to get this thing that I made and I will be back in a stick.
Well, I'm cute.
So we got something in here.
Yeah.
That's what it is. And it's got a pencil. Yeah, Jaden?
I made this.
Just wiping that stuff
yeah.
off because it's leaking actually.
Yeah.
It is slime. Blue slime. Alright,
Ruby, what's my press?
Well, you will see.
What's this? What's this? Oh, what is this?
Oh my god, it's so, like, put your finger in it. What? It's only a little bit gets on you.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't matter.
I'll wake up.
And how to make it is just with
There we
some
go.
ingredients. Just get anything.
Oopsie.
Soaps. Mix it all together.
Bye.
That's what I've done.
Boing.
Boing. And this is my cousin.
Mm.
And look how adorable. And that's my sister. She's singing. Her name's Harley. Go check out her channel, Harley XX.
That's 2 channels. Actually 3.
Oh, it's banana. This is so stretchy. He's just playing with the doll. What's that? What's that?
Oh, just.
I don't sing.
Yes, you do. You sing.
Yeah, but I sing terribly.
No, you don't. This is in my play.
Okay, I just mix in there. You be quiet, Hal. It's really loud in here now. Just a little bit on my finger that I put. It's so stretchy. Look at it. It's like, it's not like, I did add,
I did.
glue. I added white glue.
Over.
You don't need to add it glue. Maybe just add sugar. It looks watery, but it's actually not. This is broken. It was fluffy. So that's fluffy. And it sticks. Oh, it's so sticky though. See, it's not watery. It's like glue.
Goodbye,
I got glue. Actually, wait, I can't even hear myself. I got glue upstairs. Well, downstairs. Not upstairs. Right now I'm upstairs. And I got Ghostbusters slime. It's green for playing world. Yeah, and my sister does. Jaden, he's got a little bit of my sister's slime. I got a red one. He's got,
She.
and Harley has got a purple, well, bluish one. And Jaden had some. If you're wondering who Jaden is,
He's my cousin. Our cousin right here. He's adorable. Yeah.
and go follow me on Roblox.
Go and follow me on Roblox as well.
Mine is Ruby Esmeoid or Ruby Esme-B, whichever you want. Follow both if you like. And I'll follow you back.
Yeah, I mean.
Hello! Hello.
I
Oh
mean. And follow Jaden on
No.
Roblox. Follow us in Recolor as well.
Yeah, follow us on Recolor. If you don't know what Recolor is, it's this game that you can. Oh wait, I'm doing it. That you can color and post it on like the not internet, like website, and that people like it and comment.
And hit the notification.
He's sitting on my lap.
I will do.
And this is
It's a
so
wallpaper, Ruby.
fun to play with. And I please hope you make it. I use blue soap, bubble bath soap, and some Well, you don't have to use glue.
How spell tube? Right there. Okay. YouTube.
You can see it's all over here. It looks like snot. Well, it doesn't look like that. It feels like snot. Well, I mean, it like not feels like snot. Like looks like it, but not in the color way. It looks. Imagine if it was green now. That would just be disgusting.
You look gross.
Yeah.
I
know that would be disgusting. And you got this little doggy.
Comment down below if you have Recolor or Roblox.
And go follow me on Snapchat and everything else. I'll probably be down that in the future. And I don't know if my Snapchat or anything will be down there. I don't know. I put Roblox and Recolor on there. Everything that you want. So that was just a quick video. And I'm just gonna show you what's on. It's really easy to make. You don't have to use like this glue. You can just add this really hard soap. It's really stiff, like sticky soap.
Live here.
Live.
Live.
She is that.
What's she?
No. She that?
Ruby. Come. I died.
Oh no.
Are you making a video, Ruby?
No, of course I don't.
Going up on it.
Oh, sorry. Let me just fix the screen now. Sorry about that. Sorry. I'm just really sorry. Just sorry. Put it on my lap so you can see it. Look, it's all leaking at the back. Maybe we should put it somewhere else. I don't know what. Mix it and stuff in. It was a good idea though, because it had a lid on. It's really sticky. And I'm trying to just mix it. Ooh. Mix it properly. Let's mix it. It looks watery, but it is not. It's yeah. It is not. My cousin has actually gone downstairs.
Hey guys, this is me, Harley.
Oh, she's doing a video now.
And a doll, I think I'm gonna do like.
These are not my dolls, they're hers.
Yep.
Well, I just hate dolls. Sorry I haven't got changed around my pajamas. I'm just too lazy today.
Hey guys, this is me, Harley, today.
Maybe tomorrow I'll do a vlog.
Why are you commenting?
It's Friday today.
Guys.
It's nearly bonfire night, guys. And it was Halloween the other day. I need to change my background on my tablet or phone or camera. I don't
Why?
know.
I speak here. Why do I speak?
Because I need to change it
You
on
know why? Because
my camera. I'm
recording.
recording on my camera and I can't have a change it backwards, I think.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Someone's coming up the steps. I don't know who it is. I think it is my cousin. I'm talking loud right now. Really loud. Because I'm just going to put some music in there.
Guys, why are you saying I look like a doll for, like I said?
You can hear it a little bit. You don't, if you want to have a thing, like some recipes, it will be down in the description or down in the comments. Oh, my dog's here. Hello, Elsie. She's actually pregnant. Well, we think she's pregnant. And we're having a puppy on next week. Next Saturday or Sunday, I really do not know. It's soon.
Movie.
Yeah?
We watch.
Yeah.
We'll play games or football games.
Yeah, do you want to play a game soon then?
Okay.
I'll make a game
Hi.
thingy now with
We'll
Jaden.
play.
This is not a vlog, by the way. I'm going to do one later now.
Hey guys, this is me, Hallie. So today I will be just doing a little vlog for you guys. Let's do it. So this is nice.
This is the best slime you can ever have.
Yeah, pink.
Because the slime in the shops is terrible.
Cheetah, look at this. Look at the video.
Oh my god, I
Love
just
to do
been
the
mixing
video.
it. It hasn't got me
Video
on.
time.
This is not clickbait.
Let's make this place and
You should, please. This is not fake.
like a dog.
I swear, because they don't have any slime like this. They only got... Yeah.
Hi guys,
This
this
is
is
this little guy.
me,
I'll show you.
Holly.
Let me just...
So, today I'm here
Let
with
me just...
my
This hair all of it.
cousins.
No.
cousins
I'm not your cousin.
named Papa and Pink. Papa and Pink are brothers and sisters.
Ugh, it's so slimy.
Yeah.
Oh, there's hair all over it.
Hmm.
I'm just gonna just get off this thing.
Movie.
You just
Hi.
get that with me. Just wash it. If it does drip on you, just wash it in your clothes because these are nice.
No, pink.
Okay, let's go see the
It's
dad.
getting
Wait, you can't see it.
So we're gonna probably make a game.
Not clear. They don't.
What have you
They have a
did
game. I'm right there with my dad.
Pink.
Look.
What are you doing?
What
No.
is attached to me?
Put that.
I think. Please subscribe. I'm dying. Please. And if you give it a like so I can feel more better. Thank you. And if you subscribe, you'll be part of my team, and that's the best team to be in. And hit that notification. Wait. Yeah, is it done that or done that? I can't remember.
No, don't swing me around and around and
so bye.
on the carousel.
Please. Bye.
Just sing it, but you'll need